Bilingual education in Colombia. Behind bilingual is important because it broadens the mind to new cultures and expressions in diversity. However, the greatest potential is in the English language, and that is why bilingual in Colombia is more used in the Spanish-English language, leaving aside the other languages. Although multilingual also recognize native or Creole language, this language is only evident in those who are included in these communities. In Colombia, there is a large discrepancy between the policies that are used and the condition of a language teaching. Therefore, the question, thus, how far bilingual education programs for majority language speakers in Colombia today are actively helping towards the creation of a more understanding, a more tolerant society, and not only providing a way to better jobs and higher standard of living for the graduates. A question for a reflection is the fact that Colombia has achieved progress in demonstrating that there are scenarios for teaching English, but this is still a need to expand coverage and include other languages. In addition to generating learning options that do not have such as high cost, expensive, and that propose language teaching to strengthen society and diversity, and not to study language as a personal investment to obtain more job opportunities or to leave the country. If we're talking about English language teaching in Colombia, is a focus more in the economic investment of those who teaching and those who deciding to learn, but not contributing to social development. In Colombia, English is so very expensive, and yet some people who achieve fluently in this language because the strategies applied to teach are still very weak. This is my opinion over the bilingual education in Colombia. Is very difficult. This topic and this language. Teaching English in Colombia is very poor yet.